People are already creating content about your business, experiences, vlogs, reviews, but how do you actually show that content on your website? Real people are talking about your brand, sharing their experiences, and building trust with your audience. So don't let that go to waste. In this video, I'll show you how to leverage user-generated content by embedding a YouTube search feed directly on your WordPress website. If that sounds good to you, let's get started. To display our YouTube search feed, we'll be using the Smashflowing YouTube Feed Pro plugin. There is a free version available with less features, but to display a YouTube search feed, we will need the premium version of the plugin. You can visit smashflowing.com to purchase and download it, and then install it on your WordPress site. But to save you time, I've already got it installed and set up on my site right now. Once you have it installed, we can go into it. And to create our feed, we can click on Add New. With YouTube Feed Pro, you can create several different feed types. You can create a feed of videos from any YouTube channel, from any playlist, videos that match a specific search criteria, live streams, and single videos. In this video, I want to show you how to display a feed of videos from a YouTube search. So we can select this option and click Next. You'll then get this pop-up here asking you to enter a YouTube API key. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial on the top right corner of your screen or follow a written guide in the description of this video. Once you have your API key, you can paste it like this and click Add. On the next step, we can type in the search term we want to use for a YouTube feed. For this demonstration, let's say that there are a lot of videos on YouTube about your business, videos posted by yourself or from happy customers as well, and you want to display these videos on your WordPress website. So for this example, the search term we're going to use is Angelina Bakery. This is a bakery in New York City, and it's really popular and has a lot of videos about it. So what we have to do is inside the plugin, we can type in Angelina Bakery, like so. You can enter multiple searches as well, separated by a comma. So we can also type in Angelina Bakery NYC. After that, all we have to do is click Next. And on the final step of creating our feed, we can select a template for the feed's design. We can choose from options like the default, carousel, cards, list, and more. You can choose an option that best suits your site. So for this example, let's go with the cards template and click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview for a brand new YouTube search feed right here inside the plugin. Inside the feed, you can see videos that match the search criteria that we entered, which was Angelina Bakery and Angelina Bakery NYC. And inside each video, you can see the title, who that video was published by, the published date, and of course, the thumbnail for the video too. So our feed is now ready to be embedded on a WordPress site. But before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize the feed as well. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, you can click on Feed Layout, and here you can modify the layout of your YouTube feed. Currently, we have the grid layout selected, which displays your YouTube videos in rows and columns. Next, we have the gallery. This one features a YouTube video player at the top of the feed like this, followed by the rest of the videos in a grid underneath. Next, we have the list. This one displays your YouTube videos in a single column list. And last but not least, we have the carousel, which lets you swipe through the videos inside your feed by clicking on these buttons here, or at the bottom. So for this demonstration, let's continue with the grid. And scrolling down, we can also modify the number of columns inside the feed. Let's say you want to increase it to 5, or even reduce it to fewer columns. You can do that right here. So let's go with 2 columns. You can see immediately that the feed is adjusted to display 2 columns instead of 3. And now, for example, let's say we wanted 5 columns. Just change it to 5, and we now have 5 columns inside the feed as well. So I'm going to change that back to 3. Next, you can also choose how many videos you want to display inside the feed initially. Right now, you can see that we have 9 videos. But if you want to modify it, just type in the number of videos you want to display. Let's go with 6 for now. And again, our feed has updated to only display 6 videos instead of 9. And once you're happy with the layout of your YouTube feed, just click Save on the top right corner. Next, let me show you how we can modify the header at the top of our feed. Under the Customize tab once again, let's go click on Header. Here you'll find 2 different header styles you can choose from. Currently we have the text header, which is a simple style that you can customize down below. You can type in anything you want. Currently it says we are on YouTube, but we can type in something like videos about Angelina Bakery, for example. Or we can type in something like videos from happy customers. I'm pretty happy with that, so let's click on Save once again. Next, let's go and modify how videos are displayed inside this feed. Under the Customize tab, go click on Videos. Next, we can click on Edit Individual Elements. Here you'll find all the different elements you can see on the videos inside our feed, such as the play icon in the middle, video title, and more. Each of these elements can be hidden or displayed depending on what you want to do. For example, let's say you wanted to hide the video titles. Just go deselect it over here, and those will be hidden from our feed. And just as easily, you can bring that back by selecting it once again. You can do this for any of the elements you see here. So right now we can see that the video durations are hidden from the feed, but if you want to display it, just select it, and you'll now see video durations pop up on the right-hand side of each video. You can customize this to suit your exact needs, and once you're happy with it, just click Save on the top right corner. Let's head back into the Videos menu, and this time let's click on Video Player Experience. Here you can customize how your site visitors watch videos on your YouTube feed. You can modify the player size ratio, how your videos play inside the feed, and the setting I'm going to show you is this one here, displaying comments. By displaying comments inside these YouTube videos, your site visitors can see an additional layer of social proof as well. By default, you can see that it's enabled, and it will show up to 20 comments in your YouTube feed. You can modify this by typing in any number you want to display. Let's say we only wanted to display 5 comments for each video. We can type in 5, and then click on Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your YouTube feed, let me show you how we can embed it on our WordPress website. Click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a page. Next, we can select the page we want to embed our feed to, and click Add. Now on our WordPress web page, we can embed our YouTube feed right here. To embed it, all we have to do is add a shortcode block, this one here, and paste the shortcode that we copied earlier, like so. But if you're using Block Editor, you can also use our dedicated YouTube feed block, which is this one here, Feeds for YouTube. Let's go with that. With this option, we'll immediately get a live preview of our YouTube feed on our page. We can now click on Save and check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are now on our live WordPress web page. If we scroll down, we can find our brand new YouTube feed right here. This is the one that we just created together, and it's displaying videos from YouTube search terms that we added as a source, which is Angelina Bakery and Angelina Bakery NYC. Each video contains the title, the video duration, and a play icon on top of the thumbnail. And if a site visitor wants to watch one of these videos, all they have to do is click on it like this, and that video will start playing automatically on your WordPress website. And if the video has a description, you'll find that here. Underneath that, you can see the comments for the video too. You can see the author of the comment, their profile picture, when the video is published, the comment itself, and any replies if it has them as well. Just click on Replies, and you can read that here. And if you want to go to the next video, just click on this arrow here. You can continue watching more videos inside this YouTube feed without leaving this video player. Let's go back. At the bottom of the YouTube feed, you'll also find a button that says Load More. If we click on that, that will display additional YouTube videos directly inside this feed. The new videos that loaded also match the search criteria that we set inside the plugin. And there you have it. That's how we can create a YouTube search feed like this and display it on our WordPress website. It didn't take any coding, it only took a few minutes to create this. Now imagine doing this for your business. You can display real social proof, videos created by your happy customers straight on your WordPress website, just like this. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact your awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.